sweet girl with a drink in her hand. She had ruby red lips and cold black hair, and eyes what would catch any man. And she came and sat down at my table, and as she plays a song and in mine, I found myself wanting to kiss her, for temptation was flowing like wine, and I was almost persuaded to strip myself of my pride. Almost persuaded to push my conscience aside. Then we danced and she whispered, I need you. Take me away from here and be my man. Then I looked into her eyes and I saw it, the reflection of my wedding band, and I was almost persuaded to let his strange lips lead me on. Almost persuaded, but your sweet love made me stop and